There's something I want you to see in this short video clip, so check it out and we'll discuss it afterward.
And was there any reason you had a belief that there was a newer security system that was at the school?
Yes, ma'am. The national news media, all major channels carried the story the next day of the incident.
Hearsay.
Would you provide the document?
I'm sorry. If you're referring to a newscaster hearsay, you would actually need to help.
It's published.
It doesn't matter if it's published in the paper or if it's on a TV station. What's in the public media is not credible information.
Okay.
So while the complainant cites the news as his source of information, the respondent's attorney objects, claiming hearsay. Then the hearing commissioner confirms that by stating that anything from the public media is not credible information.
Yes, ma'am. The national news media, all major channels carried the story the next day of the incident.
Hearsay.
Would you provide the document?
I'm sorry. If you're referring to a newscaster hearsay, you would actually need to help.
It's published.
It doesn't matter if it's published in the paper or if it's on a TV station. What's in the public media is not credible information. If you're referring to a newscaster hearsay, you would actually need to help.
It's published.
It doesn't matter if it's published in the paper or if it's on a TV station. What's in the public media is not credible information.
If you're referring to a newscaster hearsay, you would actually need to help.
It's published.
It doesn't matter if it's published in the paper or if it's on a TV station. What's in the public media is not credible information.
Okay, then the news.
It doesn't matter if it's printed in the paper or on a TV station. Anything that's from the public media is not credible information. Period. Full stop. So why then do so many of you listen to damn near everything that they say on the news as if it's fact, when an actual court hearing, legit court hearing, would not accept the news as a credible source of information? So why would you? If it's not admissible in court, why would you base so many decisions in your lives on faulty information that you get from the news? Why is that? Why is that you rely so much and are so dependent on what the TV tells you about reality? And for those of you wondering who these people are and if this is a credible hearing or whatnot, then just stick around as I'll show the first couple of minutes from the beginning of the video in which these people address who they are, what they're doing there, and are sworn in for witness testimony and put under oath.
Okay, good afternoon. This is a consolidated hearing in the matters of FIC 2014-461 and 2014-823. Complaints by Wolfgang Halbig versus the First Selectman, Town of Newtown, the Chief, Police Department, Town of Newtown, Police Department, Town of Newtown, Chair, Board of Education, Newtown Public Schools, and the Newtown Public Schools. My name is Matthew Streeter. I'm a commissioner and have been designated as the hearing officer in this matter. With me today is Attorney Tracy Brown, who is counsel to the Commission and will be assisting me here today. Attorney Brown can answer procedural questions should you have any. I will note for the time that it's 2:04 p.m. and today's date is April 24th, 2015. Our hearing is scheduled for an hour and a half. Will the parties identify themselves for the record, please?
Good afternoon, Commissioner Streeter. My name is Attorney L.K. Wilson. I represent Wolfgang Halbig, the complainant in this appeal.
Okay.
My name is Wolfgang Halbig, and I'm a national school safety consultant out of Orlando, Florida.
You're the complainant.
I'm the complainant.
Good afternoon, Monty Frank with Cohen & Wolf. With me, Alex Kopp with Cohen & Wolf, and we represent the respondents.
Okay. Based on what transpired here today, we will prepare a hearing officer's report, which will contain suggested findings of fact and conclusions of law. All parties will get a copy of the reports in the mail, along with a date and time when the full commission will consider the report. The commission can adopt the report, reject it, modify it in any way, or reopen the hearing at the time of its deliberations. You will be invited to speak to the commission on that day if you so choose. It is not required that you appear, but it is suggested since, as I've said, the commission can change the report. If you decide to speak to the commission, you will be limited to 10 minutes of legal argument per side, exclusive of questions of the commissioners. You cannot present any new facts to the commission at that time. All facts need to get into the record today. We will follow the Uniform Administrative Procedure Act. The complainant will go first, present all relevant testimony subject to cross-examination and redirect if necessary. The complainant should present all relevant documents as well. Once the complainant is finished with his witnesses, it is the respondent's turn, who of course will follow the same procedure. Do you understand the procedure I've described?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. At this time, I'll swear in witnesses. Anybody that will be testifying today, if they can stand. Only one witness today? Would you be calling any?
I may call witnesses.
Okay, I'll swear them in at the time.
Thank you.
Okay, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth upon the pain of public perjury?
I
In the
do.
hearing in this matter?
I do.
Okay, let the record show that the complainant took the oath.